Hello, Hannah.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Can you see me and hear me clearly?
Yeah, I can see you perfectly and I can hear you as well too. Can you hear
What?
me okay?
Yeah, it's good. And what happened? Why didn't you join at the time?
There just didn't connect for me. It kept loading and then it said the student didn't answer the call or the connection wasn't made. So honestly, I'm not sure. Could be something to do with
Okay.
internet connection
Mm-hmm.
difficulties. Could be anything.
Yeah, because I joined the session. I joined the meeting at the right time, and I was kind of waiting for you. And then I thought maybe you're busy.
Yeah, the thing about
Say again,
Cambly,
please.
and it's fantastic. But so you have a scheduled calls, and if one person
Yeah.
runs late, their call, then every call for the rest of the day will run late. So sometimes it's not really within my control. If a student is
Mm-hmm.
late when they start their lesson, everyone is late as a result. So you just have to hope that everyone will arrive on time for their lesson. Otherwise, it can cause delays for everyone. So yeah, you just have that everyone time for their class.
Right. Okay. Tell me one thing. Actually, I want to ask that sometimes I've, I have noticed that if the tutor didn't join the session for any
Hmm.
reason, the given minute is in as a balance. Okay, it
Yes.
means I didn't lose that. But I
Yeah.
want to ask that if the tutor joins, but unfortunately a student can't join the meeting. So is this particular minute, I mean the given time, am I gonna lose it or it will be as a balance?
So do you mean if the student arrives and the teacher doesn't arrive?
No, if tutor joins but a student doesn't arrive.
Does the tutor get paid? Do I get paid?
But I'm not asking about the payment. I'm asking about the minutes because you get the
The
payment,
minutes
but I get
the
the minute.
minutes Yeah, the minutes don't affect me. So I don't really know any information or detail about the minutes because
Mm,
I don't
okay,
work in
okay,
relation
I
to
got it.
minutes.
Yeah. For example, suppose that on the time you joined the session, but
Yes.
I couldn't come. For any reason, I couldn't come. So in this case, will I get the given minutes again or not? This is my
I don't
question
know.
actually.
I have no idea because I have never taken lessons on Cambly. I only give the lessons. I'm the teacher, so I'm not sure how it affects students. I know that there is a penalty if you are late, but or if you miss a lesson, but I'm not too sure to be honest because I have
Okay,
never
I'll check
been
it out.
in that
Hmm.
position.
Okay, I'll check it out. And well, tell me that where are you now and where are you from exactly?
I'm from Ireland. I'm Irish and I'm
Okay,
living in Bali. I'm living in Indonesia at the moment.
okay, you're living in Indonesia. All right.
Yeah.
And what do you like there?
That's a good question. I like almost everything about living here. It's just very different to the lifestyle that I had back home in Ireland. So, yeah, the weather is fantastic. The people are great. The food is great. Yeah, there's lots of things to like about it.
For,
It's just a more
fortunately, I was watching a video about Indonesia today on
ah,
YouTube, and yeah, and I saw that the greenery. I mean the nature. Okay,
mhm.
so beautiful
It's very
there.
beautiful.
I see. Yeah, especially mountains and ladder type how to say crops and ladder type agriculture there.
Hmm. Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
so I liked it. It's like downhill.
Yeah,
And
yeah, it's a really beautiful location, and one of
mhm.
the reasons why it is so popular is that areas that you can visit that are all very different. So, like you said, you have areas, full of nature, very beautiful. You have
Hmm.
waterfalls, that kind of experience. But then you also have like
And
busier
prices are
areas,
also good, right?
beaches. Yeah, very
And prices
affordable.
of the products, affordable
Yeah.
price, right? It's not so expensive.
Yeah, especially in
Okay.
comparison to a lot of other popular tourist
Hmm.
destinations, like, and definitely in comparison to Europe, it's very inexpensive.
It's a fine place to live there. And
Yeah,
one more thing that I watched is mostly people use a scooter, not a
yes,
motorcycle, scooter.
exactly. Yeah,
So it's kind of a scooty there.
main form of transport. Yeah. So that
Yeah.
is just because I mean, it is possible to travel by, but the roads aren't fantastic in some parts of Bali. And so, like, there would be a lot of traffic and it would add a lot of travel time onto your journey. So, for
Hmm.
convenience and for, speed, people would choose to travel by scooter instead. It'd be the most popular form of transport, the
Right.
easiest.
Okay. And did you try it or not?
Yeah,
The
yeah,
important question. Okay.
yeah. I think
And
if you are here long
mhm.
term, everyone has to give it a go.
Yes, must. In fact, anyone who goes there, he or she should try this one at least
Yeah,
once.
definitely.
But
Yeah,
I
I
think,
agree.
but I think that it's the cheaper means of transportation there, and
Hmm.
that's why affordable, and people like it. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, you are all of the above for sure. Yeah, and there isn't really like another transport system that is public. Like there's no buses or trains, for example. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Okay, and tell me one more thing that if I go there, suppose if I go there and I just want to ride a scooter. We call it a scooty actually in my country, but that's a scooter.
Mhm.
So if I want to ride a scooter, so do
Mhm.
they hire that on my passport or they demand international license?
Um, Good question. I'm not sure for every location that you can rent a scooter from any of the places that I have. Yes, you would need an international driving
How
license,
do
but
you rent? How do you rent?
on behalf of everyone, you just like there are lots of places, streets that will sell
Hmm.
them. You will pass by someone. For me, the time, if I get a recommendation from someone, that's what I'm going to do. So by word of mouth, by talking to people, meeting people,